Not every product belongs in a cart. Negotiated wholesale, map-restricted brands, made-to-order goods, a public price, and an instant checkout just don't fit. For those products, QuotWay turns the product page itself into a quote channel. No price on display, no buy button, just a conversation starter. First, hide the price. Replace it with your own text, like "Contact us for pricing," on the product page, for just your quote-eligible products. Then hide the native cart buttons. Turn off Add to Cart and Buy Now on those same products, while the cart page always keeps checkout reachable. Now the page speaks a different language. The price becomes an invitation, the buy button step aside, and one clear action remains: add to quote. One click opens the quote drawer, and it's an honest, short request. The buyer sets quantities, adds their details, reviews, and submits. The quote lands in your admin. The buyer gets a reference and a confirmation, and now you're talking price on your terms. Hide the native buttons on any plan, and hide the price from starter up. Everyone outside your rules still sees your normal store. QuotWay, B2B quotes and negotiation, built for Shopify. Turn browsing into quoting. Start free on the App Store.